The pontoon boat that just went through there, that is, pretty much a waterway, marked by channel markers. Recently, these channel markers were put out here due to the sediment filling in this part of the lake. If you look to the left, you'll see some hazard buoys. Those are marking a shoal there where it's very shallow. So this is it's a waterway. It's a channel, the main channel that flows out of Swearing Creek here on High Rock Lake. The past few years, we've had a lot of rain all of a sudden, and the water comes up, flowing really hard and strong, and it pulls a lot of sediment down here. And so it's the way the water flows, it's filling in, creating sandbars, mud bars, and shoals. And so these channel markers here, you have red and green. They're marking the channel, the main channel in and out of the Swearing Creek here. So to explain what each channel marker means, so red, you have red and green. So if you're going upriver or upstream or going into the mouth of a creek or river, and there are channel markers, you want to have the red on your right and green on your left. So what we teach in Boater Ed when we're talking about channel markers and such is red right return. So if you can remember red right return, if you're returning upstream or returning into an inlet or into a marina that has channel markers, you want the red on your right. And it's opposite if you're going downstream or coming out of the waterway. Then you would have the green on your right and red on your left. It's very shallow. Normal water levels, water is down right now a few feet. Where we're sitting now, it's about 7.5 feet. So you want to know how much your boat drafts as well. What draft is how low your boat sits in the water. And pay attention, if you have a depth finder, pay attention to the water depth as well, especially with the water being low. This is the first time to my knowledge there's ever been markers on High Rock Lake. There are a few on Tuckertown, which is the reservoir right below us, and those mark a channel as well. But here on High Rock Lake, here at Swearing Creek, there's a shoal that's starting to build up, and eventually, hopefully it does not, but it could eventually almost close it off if the rain continues to push a lot of sediment down here.